Already creating TikToks but not sure how to manage them? In this fast tutorial, I'll show you how to control, edit, and organize your videos like a pro, all in under 2 minutes. Want to delete a video? Go to your profile, open the video, tap the 3 dots, and select Delete. Need to make a quick edit after posting? TikTok doesn't allow direct edits to posted videos, but you can re-upload the edited version and delete the original. To hide a video from others without deleting it, tap Privacy Settings and change visibility to Only You. You can toggle between public, friends, or private on any video while posting, or even after it's live. To stop comments on a specific video, tap the 3 dots, go to Privacy Settings, and disable comments for that post. To find drafts later, head to your profile and tap the Drafts folder. When you're ready to publish a draft, open it, make final changes, and hit Post. Want to download your own video? Open it, tap the share arrow, and select Save Video. Just make sure downloads are enabled. Finally, if you've switched to a pro or business account, you can check your video analytics under Creator Tools, view data like views, likes, watch time, and audience info. And that's how you manage your TikTok videos like a boss. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Tutor, and drop a comment if you want to learn how to grow your TikTok followers next.